You don't need a backpack full of single-use tools. Multi-tools replace bulky kits with compact, reliable functionality. Myth: one tool can't handle cooking, repairs, and survival. As an outdoor gear tester, I evaluate tools under conditions. Campers often carry several tools, increasing weight and failure points. The problem? Redundancy, rust, insufficient ergonomics in emergency moments. I recommend 10 essential multi-tools selected for core camping needs. Each tool is chosen for cooking, repairs, and survival functions. Materials: corrosion-resistant stainless steel and heat-tolerant polymer handles. Design focus: locking mechanisms, low weight, high mechanical advantage. Cooking features include foldable spatula, serrated spoon, bottle opener. Repair features include pliers, wire cutters, multi-bit driver sets. Survival features include compact compass, ferro rod, emergency whistle. Weight distribution matters. Balanced tools minimize fatigue on long hikes. Mechanics: leverage ratios in pliers and scissors reduce user effort. Thermal tolerance prevents melting near campfires during meal preparation. Corrosion resistance preserves sharp edges and precision over time. I tested a multi-tool cooking meal over open flames successfully. Used pliers to tighten a broken tent pole in minutes. Compass and ferro rod helped us reorient after a fogged trail. Durability: multiple tools survived drops, sand, and heavy use. Compactness saved pack space without sacrificing essential capabilities. Summary: 10 multi-tools cover cooking, repairs, and emergency navigation. They lower carried weight and increase on-site self-reliance significantly. Choose tools with secure locks, quality materials, and ergonomic grips. If you camp, hike, or prepare for survival, act now. Explore our curated list. 10 essential multi-tools linked below. Save weight, cook with confidence, fix gear on the trail. Subscribe for more evidence-based gear recommendations and field tests. Preparedness starts with smart choices. The right tool matters. Click the link in the description to find out more.